Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable payment gateway for variable product type in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is variable product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see setting, so open it. Now go to WooCommerce setting and then you see payment tab, so click on it. Now scroll down, click on any payment and then in URL you see section is equal to check, so check is payment gateway ID. Now back to edit code, so this is conditional payment gateway and then you see product variable false and then you see if condition we added product is type variable, product variable true, and now we are going to disable payment gateway for variable product. Now you see remove cash on delivery COD, if product variable unset gateway COD, then we are going to insert gateway PayPal and then you see direct bank transfer. And if you want to disable mode payment gateway, then copy if condition and paste and then change payment gateway ID. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere on top inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save. Go to product page, so this is a variable product. Now select and then click on add to cart. Now product is added. Go to checkout page. Now scroll down, you see review and payment, so click on it. So this is our variable product and scroll down, you see only check payment enabled for variable product, remaining cash on delivery and other payment method disable. Now back to edit code. Scroll down, you see we disable cash on delivery, PayPal, direct bank transfer. If you want to add more, then copy and then paste. Now add Stripe, so you can increase payment gateway according to your requirement. So this is conditional code for variable product and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.